classmates are on the ground with their teacher to practice for their sports day. Children, first, let us set up the obstacle path for our sports day. Then we shall begin our practice.
Yes, teacher.
Neil, Sid, can you get the cones from there, please? Neil and Sid get the cones and hand it over to the teacher.
Here they are, teacher.
Thank you. How many cones have you got, Neil?
1, 2, 3. I have got 3 cones, teacher.
And how many do you have, Sid?
1, 2.
Teacher, I got 2 cones. Now, let us add and see how many cones we have in all.
Add? What do you mean by add, teacher?
Children, adding means putting together.
What do we put together?
First, we counted the number of cones that Neil got. Then, we counted the number of cones Sid had. Now, we will put together the total number of cones that we have here.
Oh, putting together numbers.
Yes, Neil. Let me add these and show you. There are 3 cones here. And now we will add these 2 as well. So in all, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 cones in all.
Total 5 cones.
Yes, Sid. Now, Sid and Neil, keep these cones in a line. Then come back and stand in your positions. Kiara and Tanu, please bring the hula hoops from there.
Okay, teacher. Can we add these hula hoops to know how many do we have in all, teacher?
Sure, Neil. First, we need to know the number of hula hoops that Tanu and Kiara have got.
1, 2. I have got 2 hula hoops, teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have got 4 hula hoops.
Amazing, Kiara and Tanu. Now, let us count and find out the total number of hula hoops.
I want to count, teacher. Please.
Okay, Neil. Come ahead and count these.
These are 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. Teacher, there are 6 hula hoops in all.
That's right, Neil. Now, let me keep these hula hoops in front of the cones. Now, Vani and Vicky, can you go and get the footballs, please? We got the footballs, teacher. Let us count the footballs too.
I have got 1 football.
I also have 1, teacher. That's right. Now, let us add to find the total number of footballs. Here is 1. And this is 2. We have 2 footballs in all. Excellent, Vani. Now, let us practice for the obstacle race. All children practice obstacle race for their upcoming sports day. You all were wonderful in the practice. I am sure all of you will do your best on the sports day. Children, before our practice, we added objects together to know the total. Now, let me show you another way of adding numbers too.
Another way?
What is that, teacher? Let me show you. The teacher makes a number line on the ground.
Teacher, why have you made a line on the floor? Look, there are numbers on the line too.
Children, this line is called a number line. We can show all numbers in a sequence on it. Can you tell me which numbers are there on this line? I can see numbers from 0 to 10 on the number line. That is right. This number line represents numbers from 0 to 10. I will show you how to add numbers on this number line.
Yay!
I need somebody to help me for this. Amar, can you come forward and stand on number 5 on the line?
Okay, teacher.
Now jump 4 numbers ahead on the number line. Can you tell us the number that you have reached at, Amar?
I have reached number 9, teacher.
That is right, Amar. You were standing on number 5. When you jumped and moved 4 numbers ahead, you reached on number 9. So, when we add numbers 5 and 4, we get the total 9.
Wow! This is an interesting way of adding numbers. I also want to try it out.
Okay, Sia, come ahead. Sia, can you go and stand on number 2 on the number line?
Okay, teacher. I'm standing on number 2.
Now, start counting from number 2 and jump 5 numbers ahead and see the number you land on.
I landed on number 7, teacher.
Fantastic, Sia! When you jumped 5 numbers ahead from number 2, you reached on the number 7.
Teacher, can we say that when we add numbers 2 and 5, we get the number 7?
Absolutely right, Neil. Now you all know how to add numbers on the number line too. Would you all like to add numbers a few more times?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Neerav, would you like to try next?